Yo, Houston HPD office. This is monumental, man. I've never been to this apartment. Yes, sir.
He met his wife. In Afghanistan. She like 30 years younger.
This is nice, man. I've never been here. HPD. This is the Houston Police Department headquarter. I'm actually visiting here for to pick up an incident report. A lot of history here. This is amazing. Again, 1200 Travis Center.
I want to assure our citizens that we are fully committed to ensuring the safety of Houston, especially during hurricane season. Our fleet of high water trucks
We're
are
proud of our
strategically
HPD
stationed across the city
and all the work
alongside
and sacrifice they offer
navigate flood-prone
to the
areas
city, to the country.
with various boat models.
It's
Preparing
amazing.
to access areas and
It's an honor to be a part of a city. Houston's a great place. Texas is amazing. Love you guys. Take care.